Can I be honest with you? Some women are spending hundreds of dollars on oil, vitamin, wigs, supplement, expensive hair products. Why the real reasons their hair keep tiny is happening every single time they eat. Hear me out. And nobody talk about it. See, because if your blood sugar is unstable, if it is unstable, your hair follicles may never receive the environment they need to fully thrive. Meaning this, you could be applying grow oil faithfully, consistently, while your metabolism is silently working against your hair growth from the inside out. And today, we are talking about one of the most overlooked root cause of thinning hair in women over 35. Insulin resistance. Whew. See, because sometimes the issue is not your hair routine, ladies. Hear me out. It is metabolic stress. You hear me? A metabolic stress. Now, welcome back to Bellis Hair Restoration. I am Coach Malaika, holistic nutrition health coach, menopause hair restoration expert. And on this channel, we talk about the deeper internal reason women experience hair thinning, excessive shedding, weak edges, slow growth, hormonal hair loss, and chronic scalp issues. Because hair health is not separate from body health. Let me say this again. I think I should. Because hair health is not separate from body health. And one thing I wish more women understood is this. Your hair follicles are incredibly sensitive to what happens internally, especially when it comes to inflammation, hormone, nutrient delivery, and blood sugar regulation. And when blood sugar becomes chronically unstable, the body starts shifting into what we call a dysfunction. Now, let's simply put this. Every time you eat carbohydrate, for example, or sugar. You guys know carbohydrate turn to sugar. Your pasta, your rice turn to sugar in your system. Your body releases insulin, okay? Insulin help move glucose out of the bloodstream into cell for energy. That process is normal. Nothing is wrong with that. The problem happens when the body becomes less responsive to insulin over time. Now, this is called insulin resistance. Does that make sense? Meaning, the body has to produce more insulin just to do the same job. And chronically elevated insulin can create a chain reaction inside the body. That includes what? Inflammation, hormonal imbalance, increased androgen activity, fatigue, stubborn belly weight, craving, energy crashes, and yes, oh yes, hair thinning. And many women don't even realize this is happening in their body, especially during perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. Chronic stress, poor sleep, or year of high sugar intake. I know y'all will be like, why no one told me so? See, let's connect this directly to the hair. See, hair follicles require nutrients. Am I right? Oxygen, circulation, hormonal balance, and stable energy production. But insulin resistance creates internal stress. And over time, this is what happens. Inflammation increases, of course. Circulation can weaken. And just what? Hormones become dysregulated. Nutrient delivery becomes compromised. Now, the follicles are struggling to stay in healthy growth mode. And this is why some women notice tiny hair around the crown, widening parts, stubborn shedding, slow growth, weaker strength, like you put them, they just pop. Increased scalp, just what? Inflammation. Some of us, we're dealing with a lot of dandruff, dermatitis, you naming a lot of scalp condition, even though they are doing everything right. Here is the dangerous part that I want you to pay attention. See, many women keep focusing only on external treatments. Let me try this oil. Why the internal metabolic environment keep deteriorating. Now, this becomes even more important for women over 35 or women over 40. Because insulin resistance can also influence hormone. You see this? Now, chronically elevated insulin may increase androgen activity in some women. And androgen can contribute to what? Thinning edges, crown thinning, miniaturized follicles, excessive shedding. This is why many women dealing with, watch this, PCOS. Perimenopause, stubborn weight gain, fatigue, irregular cycle, also experience her issues. See, everything in the body is connected, y'all. So connected. It's a system. And this is why I always say this. Hair loss is often a message, not just a cosmetic problem. No. Your body may be trying to tell you something deeper is happening internally. That's why when people come to me, my first solution is like, oh, let's grab this new top-notch hair product or shampoo. No. Now, here are some signs unstable blood sugar or insulin resistance may be affecting you. Are you ready for the signs? All right, let's go. Constant sugar craving, fatigue after eating, just what? Brain fog. As menopause women, you guys know we already deal with that. Stubborn belly fat, waking up tired, energy crashes, irritability, inflammation, darkened skin folds, difficulty losing weight, increased shedding, tiny crown, slow hair growth. And many women normalize this symptom for years. Oh, maybe just some changes. It's going to be okay. But the body is always communicating. My question is, are you listening? And your hair follicles are often one of the first places that internal imbalance begin to slow or show up visibly. That's why I'm keep telling you guys, ladies, all the symptoms are just the signs. Now, let me say something important. This is not about perfection, ladies. No, queen. Listen to me. Look at me. It's not about perfection. I want you to breathe. And this is not about starvation diet. I want you to breathe again. Listen, it's about supporting the body intelligently. Some of the things that help me personally and help many women include prioritize protein, balance meal properly. Oh, you got to. And if you're African, please pay attention because our food is so full of carbohydrate, sugar. Reducing excessive sugar intake, improving sleep, lowering stress, walking consistently, mineral support, hydration, I can't stress this enough, gut healing, nervous system support, because the body heals better when it feels stable. And when the internal environment improves, which is your soil, which is your gut, the hair often begins responding to. That's the beauty about it. Now, healing takes time. Yes, Lord. Hair follicles do not change overnight. Oh, no. But your body is always listening to the environment you create daily. You hear me? It listens. See, and honestly, I think many women blame themselves unfairly. They think, my hair is failing. My body is broken. I must have bad genetic. But sometimes Your body has simply been overwhelmed for years of just what? Stress that you are going through, poor nourishment, blood sugar spikes, hormone shift, exhaustion, survival mode, and now the hair is reflecting the internal strength. That's all. The internal strength that is inside or is happening. That's just what the body is reflecting. That does not mean there is no hope. There is hope. See, the moment you are still here on this land of living, there's the hope. It means your body may finally need support at the root level. Not superficial, not externally, but internally. Now, ladies, queen, if this video open your eye, comment below. Internal healing matters. Yo, yes it does. And if you're a woman over 35 or 40 struggling with thinning hair, hormonal changes, perimenopause, menopause, or postmenopause, or chronic shedding, make sure you subscribe to Queen Bellis Hair Restoration. Because here we go, oh yes Lord, we go deeper than product. We talk about the internal system that truly healthy or truly support healthy hair growth. So I'm inviting you to book your 15-minute complimentary session with me personally, so I can see where you are right now and help you to get where you need to be. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is Coach Malaika, Menopause Hair Restoration Expert, and I'll see you next video. Also, don't forget to check the other video about the food that are really great for your hair. Ciao for now. Bye.